Salafa tu pa ia mala tu lo mai mo mai. Lo ala ta fia TV5. Ses pa popong ni le po kalame le po mano. Le ngalo ele fangalo ina foi la tu lo mai mo mai no ala ta. Mai no ale. Bella to find like on Facebook, I found on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to formally welcome you to another edition of the only in-house trivia game show in Samoa, Po Mano. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, the first round for Po Mano, as we all know it. Team Toss-Up. Team Toss-Up, I'm here joined with Team Keep It Steady and Team Water for Life. They're head-to-head for Po Mano. Without further ado, let's jump straight into Team Toss-Up. Both teams, your first question. What is the English translation for the fruits in Samoa known as ulu initia? What is the English translation for the fruit known in Samoa as ulu initia? Now in Samoa you'd call it ulu initia, but in English it's called what? It starts with a J. Yes, ma'am.
Jackfruit.
It's correct. 10 points for your team. Ladies and gentlemen, what a way to start our team toss-up round. Your second question for both our teams. What is the superhero Flash's real name? Water for Life is correct. Another 10 points. We are at a standstill, ladies and gentlemen. 2 questions in for our team toss-up round. Your third question. What is the name of the waterfall on the side of the road at Tiavi? What is the name of the waterfall on the side of the road at Tiavi? Woohoo! Keep it steady. Is incorrect. To steal 5 points. Team Water for Life. Pardon? It's correct! 5 points to your team. Great steal by Team Water for Life. Your next question. Air is made up of mostly what gas? Air is made up of mostly what gas? Keep it steady. It's correct. 10 points to your team. Your next question, number 5. Who is the current captain of the Manu Samoa Rugby Union team? Water for Life?
Meilani?
Incorrect. To steal for 5 points, team Keep It Steady. And that is time. Time's up. You've lost your chance to steal the 5 points. The answer is Michael Alalatoa. Michael Alalatoa is the current Manu Samoa Rugby Union team captain. The next question, ladies and gentlemen. Ole ale upu fa'aloalo ole ulu. Keep it steady. Is correct. Your next question, ladies and gentlemen. What is the Samoan word for the steering oar? What is the Samoan word for the steering oar? Steering oar. O-A-R. Keep it steady.
Foialo?
Incorrect. Oh, you're half correct. To steal for 5 points. The steering oar. O-A-R. She's half correct. She's half correct. Foialo is 6 letters. It's also 6 letters, and that is time is foiuli. The answer is foiuli. Uli and alo makes the biggest difference and can cost you 10 points. Your next question for both our teams. Oaile ingoa o le perfetta tangivali. Oaile ingoa o le perfetta tangivali. This guy. It's the graphic. This guy. The perfetta tangivali oai mana ingoa. Keep it steady.
Elia?
Is wait, can I hear that one more time?
Elia?
Not correct. It's along the lines of Elia, but not technically. To steal for 5 points is also incorrect. It is Jeremiah. Jeremiah or Jeremiah. Alright. Fantastic way to start off Team Toss-Up. 2 questions left to go. Question number 9. According to the United Nations, how many countries are there in the world? Yes.
193.
That is correct. The answer is 195, but we'll take that answer. Ladies and gentlemen, that is correct. 10 points for team. Keep it steady. Your last question for Team Toss-Up. The last chance to gain 10 points from this round. In what year did Facebook reach 1 billion users? In what year did Facebook reach 1 billion users? This question is also sponsored by Digicel. The team that answers this question correctly will be awarded with 20 Tala credit. 20 Tala worth of credit from Digicel. Risk and she risked it, Merfua from Keep It Steady.
2018?
Incorrect. Team.
2017.
Life is also incorrect. It is 2012. 2012 was the year Facebook reached 1 billion users. Ladies and gentlemen, the voucher will be kept vacant right now until we find a winner for that. But that is the sum. That is the conclusion of our team toss-up round. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back with individual toss-up from our teams. We got the lovely Jessica from Team Water for Life and the lovely Sawila from Team Keep It Steady. Your question, first question for individual toss-up is a hexagon is a shape with how many sides? Keep it steady.
6.
Is correct. Thank you very much, Sawila. That is 10 points for your team. Our next individuals for individual toss-up. Okay, we've got Robin from Team Water for Life and Mefua from Keep It Steady. Your question is, what do adult cows drink? What do? Keep it steady.
Water?
Is correct. 10 points again. Team Keep It Steady. A very, very strong comeback. The team Keep It Steady here in the individual toss-up. Our last individuals for individual toss-up. Your question goes, in which continent can we find the Kalahari Desert? Keep it steady.
Africa?
Is correct. 10 points again, 30 points for Team Keep It Steady all together. And we're here for our last individual toss-up. Teams are to pick their strongest link to represent themselves for the last individual toss-up. So Wheeler coming back for it again, and the lovely Bolivia from Team Water for Life. Your question is, will.i.am is a member of what hip-hop group? Keep it steady.
Black Eyed Peas.
Is correct again. 10 points to your team. Thank you very much, everyone. That is the conclusion of our toss-up round. Ladies and gentlemen, is played like this. I'm going to give an object to one team to hide and for the other team to guess. However many guesses that team gets will be counted and will be contested against the guesses of the other team. The team with the few amount of guesses wins 20 points for their team. Ladies and gentlemen, to hide first is Team Water for Life. Your attempt for your guesses to keep it steady, relay through me.
Bolivia, right?
Bolivia, your right hand is incorrect. That is 10 points.
Bolivia's left.
Angeli, singling out Bolivia is also incorrect. That is 2 guesses gone. Alex, for your guess. Robin, your right hand is also incorrect. That is 3 guesses gone. Jessica's left hand is also incorrect. Not looking too favorable for your team. That's 4 guesses gone. Very, very hard to come back from this. It's either or, team. Stare them down, stare them down. Pressure them, pressure them. Robin, your left hand is the object. Thank you very much. That is 5 guesses for Team Keep It Steady. And Team Keep It Steady is ready. Your hands on front of your counter, on top of the counter. Team Water for Life. Your time to earn 20 points for your team.
Angeli's right hand.
Angeli, your right hand is incorrect. That is 1 guess gone.
Nefo's left.
Nefo's left hand is also incorrect. That is 2 guesses gone.
Angeli's left hand.
Angeli's left hand. Angeli's left hand is also incorrect. That is 3 guesses gone. 1 more guess to earn 20 points for your team to secure those 20 points. Alex's left hand, the big decider. Alex has the object. Let's go. That is 20 points for Team Water for Life, ladies and gentlemen. That is Nga. We'll be right back with more rounds. Bo Mano. Coming back from Nga, ladies and gentlemen, is the next round for Bo Mano. Window shopping. Both teams are shown an item and they have to estimate how much the item cost without going over. The team that gets it closest to the actual item, the price of the actual item, is awarded with 10 points. However, if both teams guess above the actual price of the item, then we take the closest guess and that team is awarded with 10 points. Both teams, let's go window shopping. Your first item for window shopping is a 2-liter Philips blender powered by 600 watts from BSL. 2-liter Philips blender with 600 watts of power from BSL. A good handy blender, fits right in your hand. And a lovely gift for your father to make him nice creamy smoothies that just oozes inside the blender while you blend it. That is time. Both teams, your boards to the camera. Let's see them. Team Keep It Steady with 70 Tala and Team Water for Life is 75 Tala. The actual price is 280 Tala. 10 points by your team. All right, our next item for window shopping. A surprise.
Second-hand shop.
Alright, thank you very much, Olivia, for your insights. Our next item for window shopping of teams is a case of 12 1.25 liter Coca-Cola bottles from Vailima. A case of 12 1.25 liter Coca-Cola bottles from Vailima. These are the bigger bottles. You hold like this. Alright, time is almost up and there goes the bell. Your boards to the camera. For our Odyssey. Oh, markers down. People get penalized for that. That's your first warning. Alright, boards to the camera. Team Keep It Steady with 80 Tala. And Team Water for Life with what is going on that board? With 48 Tala. The actual answer is 75 Tala. 50 centi points going by way of Team Water for Life. The next item for window shopping is from Digicel, a Samsung Galaxy A12. Samsung Galaxy A12 from Digicel. How much do you reckon this item costs? Also adding on to that, the correct answer for this question is awarded with 20 Tala worth of Digicel top up. 20 Tala worth of Digicel credits. You don't want to miss out. Reap the benefits of this question. Ladies and gentlemen, the time is almost up. That is the bell. Your boards to the camera, your markers down. Team Keep It Steady with 799 Tala and Team Water for Life with 499 Tala. The actual answer is 699 Tala. Again, 10 points to Team Water for Life. A very, very dominant performance by Team Water for Life in the later rounds of Bo Mano. Your next item for window shopping is a 12 case of 355 milliliters Moni alcohol soda from Vailima. A 12 355 milliliter alcohol soda case from Vailima. Moni comes in all wonderful colors and flavors.
That's okay, as long as we go down. Oh, thank you.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right. That is the bell. Your boards. See the cameras. Both teams. Team Keep It Steady with 45 tala and Team Water for Life with 48 tala. The actual answer is 38 tala. 10 points finally. The team keep it steady. All right, ladies and gentlemen, your last question for window shopping is from Digicel again. Samsung Galaxy A2s. From Digicel, a Samsung Galaxy A02s. A great phone for work and school, very optimal performance, also very handy. That is time. All right, Team Keep It Steady with 799 tala and Team Water for Life with 249 tala. The actual answer is 599 tala. 10 points by way of Team Water for Life. Oh, what a performance, ladies and gentlemen. That is it for window shopping. We'll be right back for more rounds. It's time for the next round of Popomono'o Charades. Charades is played exactly how it is played. I will give you a word. You are to act out to your two team members. If they guess correctly, your team is awarded with 10 points. Now, for charades, first team to go is Team Water for Life, and our first actress is the lovely Miss Robin. All right, Robin, that is your word. Okay, Robin's word is in English and it is in action. It is in English and it is in action. Robin, 3, 2, 1, take the stage.
3 letters, 3 words. Walking,
Oh, she's good.
crying,
Oh, she's good. Oh,
Cat, walk, bunny,
come on, guys, come on. Feed me, feed me, feed me.
puppy, dog.
What? What's going on? What's
walking the dog.
It's correct! 10 points for Bolivia and Robin and Jessica and their team. Okay, our first actress, the lovely Mefua. Mefua, your word. Okay, Mefua's word is in Samoan, Mefaitanga. It is in Samoan, it is a Mefaitanga. In 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
2 words. First word. Bit.
Oh no.
New.
Come on, you have to put it.
New.
It's correct! 10 points! Wow, it's a very, very, very fast game of charades today, ladies and gentlemen. Yes? Okay, Jessica's word is in Samoan, it is a Mefaitanga. It is in Samoan, it is a Mefaitanga. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
3 words. First word, salu.
What? What is this? That is correct! That is a very, throughout, you can see the experience, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Angeli, the big man Angeli from Team Keep It Steady, your word. Angeli's word is in English and it is a thing. It is in English and it is a thing. Angeli in 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
2 words. First word. Drink.
Come on. Keep it.
Drink.
What?
This drink?
Oh, it's a bottle.
No. Come on.
Second word.
Coffee. Drinking coffee.
Oh no.
Coffee.
A mug.
Go on.
Tea.
Oh, that is very frustrating for Angeli and his team. Angeli, do you mind? Can you just announce your word for our viewers at home?
Teacup.
It is a teacup. Very good attempts, but unfortunately we could not get there in time. Team Water for Life. Oh, Bolivia, my favorite, your word. How about that? How about that, Bolivia? Wait, Bolivia's word is in Samoan. It is a metotino. It is in Samoa. It is a metotino. Bolivia in 5, 4, 3, 2, time.
2 words. First word. Second word. Drink.
Inu.
New. By
What?
coffee.
Excuse me?
First word.
Come on.
Sandy.
Oh,
By Fushi.
come on. The time. Oh, it's off. Oh, unfortunate. That is a very unfortunate. Bolivia, do you mind and can you announce your word for us? Alright, let's announce the word, please. Tanevai is the word. Thank you very much, team from SWA. Wonderful life. That's their goal. Charades, our last attempt at charades. Alright, we've got Alex from team Keep It Steady. Can he keep the point steady with this charades attempt? Okay. Alex's word is in Samoan. It is Samoan and it is a no-nut. Samoan and it is a no-nut. Alex in 5, 4, 3, 2. Time is yours.
Alo. Alo ba?
Oh no.
Foi?
No.
That's alo. Se
Time.
Tunga, race? Tunga ba?
Yes, that's that. Well done, Team Keep It Steady with that attempt. Well done, Alex and your team. That is charades, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna move on to more rounds of Po Po Mano. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Another round of Po Po Mano. Bad translations. Bad translation is played as follows. I am to give a bad translation sentence to the teams, and they have to use their comprehensive ability to make sense of the bad translation. The team that does so correctly and first to the buzzer is awarded with 10 points. However, if they do not answer correctly, the opposing team is to steal 5 points. Both teams, welcome to Bad Translations. Your first bad translations. Jack Black teaches kids how to play music in this movie. Keep It Steady
School of Rock.
is correct. 10 points for team Keep It Steady. Your next bad translation. Question number 2. The Banner of Freedom is a song that is played before every Manusa Moa game. The Banner of Freedom is the bad translation. Is a song that is played before every. Keep It Steady.
Levi or Salutongo?
No, I can't give you that. Sorry, good attempt, Angeli, but to steal 5 points, team Water for Life.
Sorry, the question?
The Banner of Freedom is a song that is played before every Mangsamo game.
Freedom. Yeah, oh, that's what this is.
Shoot, rapid fire. Any attempt you have right now. For the time, the bell has gone. The answer is Fu'a o Sa'olotonga. Fu'a o Sa'olotonga is the answer. Very unfortunate. VE and Fu'a makes the biggest difference for 10 points. Your next bad translation. Sylvester Stallone has a new movie coming out. It's called Samaria. Water for Life.
Samaritan.
Robin, you got your team 10 points with that attempt. Alright. In Lord of the Rings, Gollum was obsessed with possessing the ring, calling it Laupili. Keep It Steady
My precious.
is correct. 10 points to your team. Your next question, teams, is a special question. Why, may you ask? Because the correct answer for this question is awarded with an hour massage at Ava Spa. Teams, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. The team with the correct answer is awarded with this 1 hour massage at Ava Spa. Now, if you need it, listen in. Question number 5. Turn the Time is one of Vanya's greatest songs. Water for Life. This belongs to you and 10 points, ladies and gentlemen. One more question to go for bad translation. 10 points on the line. In 2009, Lady Gaga was singing about Alufanga Lianga. Water for Life.
Bad luck.
No. That is incorrect. 5 points to steal. In 2009, Lady Gaga was singing about Alufanga Lianga.
Bad romance.
It is correct. 5 points steal. Team, Keep It Steady. That is it for bad translations, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be right back for more rounds and excitement. Po Po Mano. And we're back with Po Po Mano, your next round. round, spelling bee. Spelling bee is played exactly how it is played. However, for Bobo Mono, it is a race to the buzzer. The first team to press the buzzer and spell correctly is awarded with 10 points. However, if they spell incorrectly, the opposing team is to steal 5 points. Ladies and gentlemen, let's play spelling bee. Your first word for spelling bee, team keep it steady, team word for life is mea pueat. Word for life.
Mo e a b u e a t a.
You. That is incorrect. Now to steal for 5 points. Keep it steady. Is correct. 5 points for team. Keep it steady. All right, don't go anywhere. Second word for spelling bee is an English word. That word is tongue. Keep it steady.
T-O-N-G-U-E.
Is 10 points for your team. Don't go anywhere. We've got 4 more words to go for spelling bee. Your next word for identity. Keep it steady. Impatient, but is correct. I spoke too soon. That is a lovely attempt at spelling bee. Your fourth word for spelling bee is eclipse. Order for life.
E-C-L-I-P-S-E.
Is correct at 10 points for your team. A very, very fast game of spelling bee today. Let's tone it down a bit. Your fifth word, Tamao Ainga. Order for life. That is incorrect. You missed a few things there, but let's see if keep it steady.
Can you repeat the word, please?
Tamao Ainga. Tamao Ainga. Is almost correct. It is tia mo famafa'a o komaliu famafa'a i a. That is tamao ainga. Both teams got it incorrect, so no point is awarded for either team. The last word for spelling bee is cultivate. Keep it steady.
C-U-L-T-I-V-A-T-E.
Is correct. That is 10 points for team keep it steady, but don't go anywhere. We have a special round for both our teams. Can we have the leaders with me? Everyone else can make their way down, but the leaders, please come here forward.
What is it?
It's Gangamo. 1 round of Gangamo. 10 points is awarded to the winner. The game of fate. The decider for 10 points. Gangamo. Oh! Team, keep it steady with 10 points added to their tally of points. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back with the final round. Lightning round. Top of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last round for Bomano. I'm here with Team Water for Life with their attempt at lightning round, the big decider, to see who progresses into the further rounds of Bomano. Our spokesperson for today is Bolivia, Jessica and Robin. Lovely to meet you guys here today. Let's. Do you guys have? Oh, Bolivia. Do you have anything you want to say to the? People watching from home? Yes, to your fans.
Just pay your water bill, please.
Well, there you go. Well, there you go. From Bolivia, you heard it here first. TV5 on Bobo Mano. All right, your attempt at lightning round. Bolivia, are you ready?
Ready, team? Yep.
Jessica and Robin. Your lightning round attempt starts now. How many books of the Bible did Jesus write?
66.
How many Olympic medals does Samoa have?
5.
Who has more islands, Tonga or Fiji?
Fiji.
How many time zones does China have?
8.
Who sings the song Ice Ice Baby?
Vanilla Ice.
True or false, there are no deserts in Europe?
False.
How many letter E's are there in the word Weet-Bix?
2.
Who won the All Blacks versus Springboks game on Sunday, August 7th?
Springboks.
True or false, Jesus was an only child?
False.
What is the capital of Hawaii?
Honolulu.
Yes or no, is Tajikistan an actual country?
Sorry?
Is Tajikistan an actual country?
Tachis. Yes.
How many holes in a full round of golf?
18.
How many soccer players from one team are on the field at the same time?
11.
What does Fred Flintstone wear around his neck?
The bones.
What? That is your time. Thank you very much for your attempt at lightning round, the team Water for Life. We'll see you later when we count your tally. Top of the evening yet again, ladies and gentlemen watching from home. I am joined here with Keep It Steady, Sawilo, Mefur, and the big man Alex for their attempt at lightning round, the big conclusion, the big decider for who walks forward in Popomano and who waits back for Popomano, ladies and gentlemen. So Wila, as seen, you are the spokesperson for Keep It Steady. Do you feel any pressure on you?
Yeah, a lot of pressure. A lot.
Do you have a message for the viewers at home?
Keep it steady.
That's how you go out. That's how you go out. Okay, so Wila, your attempt at lightning round. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Your first question: how many books of the Bible did Jesus write?
60.
How many?
No.
How many Olympic medals does Samoa have?
1 silver.
Who has more islands, Tonga or Fiji?
PG.
How many time zones does China have?
Pass.
Who sings the song Ice Ice Baby?
Vanilla ice.
True or false? There are no deserts in Europe.
False.
How many letter E's are there in the word Weet-Bix?
2.
Who won the All Blacks vs Springboks game on
Springboks.
Sunday? True or false? Jesus was an only child.
True.
What is the capital of Hawaii?
Honolulu.
Yes or no? Is Tajikistan an actual country?
No.
How many holes in a full round of golf?
16.
How many soccer players from one team are on the field at the
11.
same time? What does Fred Flintstone wear around his neck?
Pass.
What game is played at Wimbledon?
Tennis.
True or false? Vanuatu is a French territory.
True.
In which book series does Neville Longbottom appear?
Pass.
On what day did God create man?
60.
Who is the tallest man on earth?
Pass.
Thank you very much for your attempt at lightning round. We'll be right back with the tally and the all together put together of all the points in lightning round. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Popomano. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the conclusion of today's episode of Popomano. Team Keep It Steady and Team Water for Life. This is their tally for lightning round. Question number 1. How many books of the Bible did Jesus write? Keep It Steady said 60, Water said 66. The answer is 0. How many Olympic medals does Samoa have? Keep It Steady said 1, Water said 5. The answer is 1. Who has more islands, Tonga or Fiji? Both teams answered Fiji. Fiji is the answer. How many time zones does China have? Keep It Steady said pass, Water said 8. The answer is 1. Who sings the song Ice Ice Baby? Both answered Vanilla Ice. Vanilla Ice is the singer for Ice Ice Baby. True or false? There are no deserts in Europe. Both answered false. The answer is true. How many letter E's are there in the word Weet-Bix? Both answered 2. The answer is 2. Who won the All Blacks vs Springboks game on Sunday, August 7th? Both answered Springboks. Springboks is the answer. True or false? Jesus was an only child. Keep It Steady said true. Water said false. The answer is false. Jesus had several brothers and a sister. Who is the capital, or what is the capital of Hawaii? Both answered Honolulu. Honolulu is the answer. Yes or no? Is Tajikistan an actual country? Keep It Steady said no. Water for Life said yes. The answer is yes. How many holes in a full round of golf? Keep It Steady said 16. Water for Life said 18. The answer is 18. How many soccer players from one team are on the field at the same time? Both answered 11. The answer is 11. What does Fred Flintstone wear around his neck? Water said bow. Keep It Steady passed. The answer is a tie. However, this is where Team Water for Life's attempt halted, whereas Team Keep It Steady progressed into further questions. Next question. What game is played at Wimbledon? Keep It Steady said tennis. Tennis is the answer. True or false? Vanuatu is a French territory. They answered true. The answer is false. In which book series does Neville Longbottom appear? Keep It Steady said pass. The answer is Harry Potter. On what day did God create man? Keep It Steady said 6th day. The answer is the 6th day. And the last question. Who is the tallest man in the world? Keep It Steady said pass. The answer is Sultan Kosen. Sultan Kosen is the tallest man in the world. Recently visited with Bruno's Magic Circus of Samoa. Thank you very much, both teams, for your attempt at lightning round and the overall tally of today's Po'opomanoo episode. Water for Life, you've come up with the amazing 215 points for your team. Team Keep It Steady, you've amounted 270 points to take the win for today's Po'opomanoo episode. And thank you very much to our two teams for coming here and participate. Keep in mind that for everyone that plays Po'opomanoo, you do not go empty-handed. You will be compensated with prizes allocated by our sponsor, Vailima, waiting for you outside. And thank you also to those watching from home. This initiative wouldn't be possible without you and your support. And thank you very much to everyone that is watching for Po'opomanoo. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you same time, same place next week on TV5. Po'opomanoo.
Yo, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Timothy from the crew here at TV5 and What's Popping. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell for more info. Link in the bio, and yeah, God bless.